This guy makes $2 million a month with a business idea many overlook.
And he does it in just 3 steps. Step number 2 will make you money. First, start with step 1.
If you have an idea, you don't need to have everything planned out. You just need to start.
That's exactly what he did. He just started. He makes money selling something, but before that, we want to know what he doesn't do for making money.
We don't spend any on influencer marketing, so we don't pay any influencers to promote our products.
Isn't this opposite to what online gurus tell you to do? So literally guys like this,
Oh my god!
Oh my goodness.
Heck yeah!
don't make any money from him. Then what does he do for marketing?
For free at scale, and that's kind of the spend that we do, so it's product costs. And then we've recently started getting into a lot more presence at events. So we'll go set up a booth, just give out candy. We don't even sell it there, we just give it out for free.
So they do giveaway and booth at the event. Pretty clever. But that's not all. They also run ad. But don't worry, you don't have to. Step 2 will solve all your problems.
What do you do for marketing for a sour strips company? What across Facebook, Instagram, anything that you want to touch?
So we are running ads on Facebook and TikTok and Instagram as well.
Social media.
Right. We'll spend about $1,000 a day on ads.
Well, that's a lot of money and it's a complete no-no for beginners. So let's go back to step 2, what they sell.
Sour candy.
And I am someone who loves sour candy and hates a lot of things about the sour candy.
It's a physical product and he loves it.
Oh my god, I love sour candy.
Well, now we know what he does, but it doesn't seem like the best way to go for beginners. And that's why we don't recommend physical product. We don't recommend running ads. And we also don't recommend influencer marketing. We would recommend giveaways using social media. So step number 1, learn from internet valuable information and put them in short videos just like this one. And publish your video every single day on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Channel your viewers through a high-ticket automated funnel. This funnel will do the selling on your behalf, and when they buy, you will earn $500 in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will send you a free case study link to your DM.